Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Brooklynn Dennington and I do reviews and tutorials. And today we actually did this look, so if you want to see how I got it, then just keep watching. And we're also going to do a little mini unboxing of some PR that I have gotten, and I also reviewed quite a bit of it in this video as well, so let's just jump right into it. For starters, I got a lot of makeup and tools from Morphe. So the first thing that I'm going to show you guys is the Jeffree Star. And I did put it back in its packaging, but I used a few of these brushes in today's video. So it comes with this little case for them. These are the brushes that I used today. So you will see me use them in this video. But these are just some little blending brushes and blending brush. And then this is a eyebrow brush. Another flat little shading brush, another little blending brush, and then a tiny little defining brush. So all of those came in that brush set. Two more brushes I also got are my favorite two brushes that Morphe has, the M519 and the M454, the best blending brushes ever. Highly recommend these. Big Star Concealer, and I got it in the shade C8. And I do use it in this video as well, so this is what the packaging looks like. Morphe Jeffree Star Palette, I don't know if I already said that. I had to stop to get my daughter, but this is what it looks like. Two more things that we got are the best setting spray ever. This setting spray smells so good, and it really does work. My makeup lasts all day, even with having to wear a mask, so highly recommend this. And then we got the 3503 Morphe palette. And this is what it looks like. It is gorgeous. So then Pop Beauty sent me a few things. They sent me this highlighter. I not use it today, but I'm super excited to. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys. So that is what she looks like. Super pretty. So I already started using one and it seems to be a very good mask so far. So I will let you guys know how it goes with my skincare. Thing they sent me was their setting spray, and I love it. I just now used it, and so I'm so excited to see how it lasts throughout the day. Then lastly, we got a few things from PIXI. So I didn't use these today, but they are both the eyeshadow sticks. I'll go ahead and swatch them for you guys. So one is a matte and one is a shimmer. These both would be perfect for a fall look. So I showed all of the palettes in my video, so I'm not going to show them again, but these are the 4 palettes that they sent me. And lastly, they sent me this adorable little fanny pack. It is so cute. The first thing we have are some temporary tattoos that are so cute. Some makeup cleansing wipes. So I just want to say thank you so much to all of those companies for sending me all of this makeup. I am so excited for all of it and very thankful that they sent it all to me. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please just keep watching. All of my social media handles are down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day and enjoy the video. Is the brow cream that I got from Morphe. So I'm just going to open this and jump right into it. I normally never do my brows with y'all, but I figured since I'm testing a new product, I could do it with y'all. So it looks like this. Actually forgot to test out these brushes too, so there is a brow brush in here, but I didn't use it because I forgot. But to conceal, we will use one of these brushes. Small brush. It is the JS10. So to hydrate, I'm going to use this PIXI H2O SkinDrink, and I want to use this before I conceal. Conceal my brows, I'm going to go in with the Magic Star Concealer. I got the shade C8. So it looks like this. Overall, the packaging is so cute. That's like the main reason I got it. You take that little concealer brush, and I'm going to take some of the concealer. Here's the wand. And I'm just going to go straight in with the brush. start concealing. Did blend out really nicely. There's no harsh lines and it looks all even and good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and prime since my moisturizer did dry, and that really did soak into my skin and it feels really good. Like my face feels really hydrated. So now I'm just gonna take the Tarte Double Duty Beauty base tape and prime. Alright, so I did get several palettes sent to me, so I am going to show you all of them. Obviously, I'm not going to use all of them today, but in next videos, so you can comment down below and tell me which one you want to see, and I can do reviews and any looks that you guys want me to do. So first I'm going to show you what PIXI sent me. So I got this little glitter compact. It's Rosette Ray, so it's more of the pinky tones. Honey Nectar, and I believe this is a blush and a contour. Blossom, which is also a contour, highlight, and blush. I just want to say thank you so much PIXI Beauty for sending me those because I'm so excited to use them, and I will probably use the contour and blush today, so I'm really excited about that. Now for the big mama jamas. So we got the Jeffree Star and the 3503. This is what the front of it looks like. The packaging on this is sickening. I might use this one today because it's just so great. But these are all of the colors. Sorry if there's a glare or anything like that because it's so shiny. It's like my ring light is reflecting all of it. This beaut, like, oh, look at the oranges. Like, it's just so pretty. All right, so I do want to do wing liner, so I went ahead and threw on some tape. And I'm gonna do one eye with you guys, and I'll do the other one off camera, just so this video isn't 7 years long. I decided to use the Jeffree Star, and I don't know, I think I want to stick with the more fall neutral look because I think that'll be really pretty. So I am going to use the new Jeffree Star brushes as well. So for starters, I'm going to take the JS5 and I'm going to jump in with this one right here, which is called 1985, and then I'm going to take Mr. Diva as well. So I'll just start with both of those, and I love the big mirror on this. It's so great. So I decided to just go ahead and do my other eye with you guys. But look at how pigmented this is. And these are like two of the lightest shades in the palette. So that's super impressive. Okay, so I just want to say, first of all, these colors blend so easily. Like, it's literally no work at all. And I am loving how they look. I can't tell if I did it too high, but we can fix it a little bit. So now I'm going to go ahead and take some concealer and cut my crease. A JS10 that I use to carve out my brows, and the same concealer, we're going to go ahead and do a little half cut crease. Alright, so both eyes are done. I'm going to go ahead and go in with this really pretty glitter right here. It's called Millions. And I'm just going to go in with my finger and pop it on. Okay, so I will say this glitter is really hard to use because it's super chunky. So I went ahead and went in with Designer Label, which is just this satin shimmer. And I put that all over my lid, and then I went in with the Millions, which is the glitter, and so it looks really good, but it was so hard to actually pack on. So now with my JS8 blending brush, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Hi Dude, which is just a chocolate brown. Right, so lashes are on. This is what they look like. I really like, they're super stiff though, so it's gonna take me a few uses to work them in, but I really like them. All right, as for foundation, we're gonna take the Maybelline Fit Me in Sandy Beige 210. a little bit of the Jeffree Star Concealer, and we're going to blend it in again with this big blender. Now we're going to take Coty Airspun and bake under my eyes. So I'm going to use the PIXI Sugar Blossom palette, and I'm going to contour my face. So I will say that it's not very buildable, so I'm going to go in with the Morphe 8H Contour and Highlight Palette, and I pretty much just take a little mixture of all 4 contours and do my thing. We're going to take some more Coty Airspun and carve out my contour. You don't have to do this, but I love the clean look that it gives. Use the 2 blushes, just a combination to add some blush, obviously. I'm going to go back to the 8H2 highlight because I want kind of a golden shimmer. I'm going to use this big brush. It's from A Perfect 10, MOTD. I don't know, I got it from PIXI. So we're going to go ahead and brush away all of my setting. We're going to test out the Pop Beauty one. So we're just going to go ahead and spray our whole face. So it smells really good. So that's good. And it feels really tacky on the face, so we'll see how it does. And lastly, for my lips, I'm just going to take some gloss. This is from PIXI, and it's a Lip Lift Max, so it's technically like a lip plumper, but with no tingle, and Petal Ice. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. If you like it, please let me know down below. Also leave down below some ideas for videos that you would like to see or looks. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and again, if you did, please tell me down below. All of my social media handles will be down below as well. Thank you so much for watching.